If you've ever wondered how to make a man miss you like crazy, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to reveal 6 shocking secrets that will have him longing for your presence. Whether you're in a relationship or hoping to spark some interest, these tips will help you leave a lasting impression. So, let's dive in. Secret 6. Be a little mysterious. Intrigue can be a potent tool in making a man miss you like crazy. By maintaining an air of mystery, you pique his curiosity and keep him captivated. Share your thoughts and feelings selectively, gradually revealing your layers. This allows him to wonder about the depths of your personality and creates a sense of excitement whenever you're together. A little mystery adds a spark to the relationship and keeps him eagerly anticipating your next encounter. Secret 5. Show him that you have a life. One of the most attractive qualities you can possess is a life that's fulfilling and vibrant outside of the relationship. Pursuing your passions, hobbies, and friendships not only enriches your own life but also sends a powerful message to him. It demonstrates your independence, self-assuredness, and an appreciation for your own well-being. When he sees you thriving and enjoying your life, he'll naturally miss being a part of it and crave your presence even more. Secret 4. Show interest in his life and hobbies. Creating a deeper emotional connection with a man involves genuinely engaging in his world. Show interest in his life, his passions, and the things that matter to him. By actively participating in his interests and hobbies, you're not only building a strong bond but also making yourself an integral part of his life. This connection will make him miss you because he associates you with joy, shared experiences, and a genuine understanding of who he is. Secret 3. Play hard to get, ladies. Playing hard to get doesn't mean being distant or unresponsive. Rather, it's about maintaining a sense of self-worth and setting healthy boundaries. Allow him to pursue you, showing that you value yourself and your time. This dynamic not only ignites his desire but also creates a sense of challenge that can be incredibly enticing. It's about finding the right balance between being open and receptive while letting him know that winning your heart requires effort, making him value your presence even more. Secret 2. End the conversation first. Ending a conversation on a positive note and being the one to conclude it can have a remarkable impact. It leaves him wanting more and wondering about the next interaction. When you exit a conversation gracefully, it keeps the connection fresh and exciting, making him eager to reconnect with you. The anticipation that builds from such moments can lead to him missing your presence and cherishing the time you spend together. Secret 1. Be happy. Happiness is a magnet that attracts people toward you. Being a source of positivity in his life makes you unforgettable. When you radiate happiness and contentment, it creates an emotional connection that he'll cherish. Your presence becomes associated with joy and fulfillment, making him miss you whenever you're apart. Cultivating your happiness not only benefits your well-being but also enhances your desirability, ensuring that he can't help but miss your infectious positivity and genuine zest for life. Conclusion. These 6 shocking secrets are your keys to making a man miss you like crazy. Remember, it's all about creating a deep connection and maintaining your individuality. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more relationship advice and personal growth content. Thanks for joining us, and here's to making him miss you in the most amazing way possible.